What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry I've been out of touch a little bit when it comes to like trail running and backpacking, but I've just been having a ton of fun doing the skiing videos over the winter, so it's been awesome to do that in the meantime. But I'm back up here, one of my favorite trails at North Table Mountain. I was up here yesterday and it was super muddy. Yesterday was a bitch. But yeah, just glad to be back up here at North Table. Let's go have a fun day. Alright guys, so I just got to the top of North Table. It was definitely a lot more dry than yesterday, which is good because the mud yesterday was just like unbearable. My shoes were so heavy at the end of the day that my legs were just trashed. But it's really good to be back out here. For those of you guys that know me, I like to do a lot of like hiking and backpacking and trail running videos during the summertime. But then I've been gone a little bit on a hiatus because I've been doing a little bit more ski footage this year, which has been really fun. But yeah, we're transitioning back into trail running and backpacking season, which I'm super excited for. And one thing that my girlfriend and I are definitely gonna do this year is we are going to fast pack the 4-pass loop in Aspen. We backpacked it last year, it was a great time, but I've always wanted to trail run it, so we're gonna try to do that this year. I was gonna let you guys know, if there's anything you wanna see me hike, backpack, comment down below. And I mean, if it's feasible and I can do it, I'll definitely make the attempt to go drive out there and complete the hike. But for right now, I'm just gonna get back to running on this trail. If you like this video and you wanna see more like it, consider subscribing to the channel. But I just wanna thank you guys again so much for watching and have a great rest of your day.